If you're an architect, engineer, interior designer, construction manager, artist, or student, the best laptop for 3D modeling and rendering is without any doubt a must-have. From AutoCAD to SolidWorks, Blender to Maya, these laptops will have you run every program with ease. The software required for 3D design and rendering is source intensive, and you will need a laptop that can meet the basic requirements in terms of performance. If you purchase a laptop that is powerful enough to handle any tasks, you will be able to create designs more efficiently without any lag. We have listed the top 5 3D modeling laptops and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Number 5. Dell XPS 17. If you're looking for portability and love working on the go, then Dell XPS 17 is an excellent choice. It is compact in size and a lightweight device. Also, it comes with a 17-inch display screen added with a powerful processor and GPU that runs your 3D modeling applications like AutoCAD without breaking a sweat. A power-packed processor is crucial for any gaming laptop to be used for rendering and 3D modeling jobs. Its Core i7 processors ensure that your creative juices never stop flowing in your head and work longer. Also, its stunning display comes with a UHD Plus display, making you much more productive. Now, with this laptop, take up your creative game to a new level through a powerful NVIDIA RTX 3060 6GB GDDR6 GPU. It will deliver an AI acceleration to most high-performance apps, thereby boosting their performance and allowing you to complete the tasks effortlessly. Also, its 32GB RAM, 1TB M.2 PCIe NVMe solid-state drive make sure you never run out of storage space. Added to it, the device has 2 Thunderbolts, a full-size SD card reader, a 3.5mm microphone jack, and a wedge-shaped lock slot means you always remain connected. Despite being a powerful laptop and average battery life, the device heats up after intensively using it for 1 or 2 hours. It can be a significant issue when working on large rendering tasks. You will need to purchase separate laptop cooling pads available on the market. Other than that, its touchpad can feel wobbly at times. Number 4. Razer Blade 15 Advanced. 3D models are probably used for different purposes, including movies and filmmaking. That's why we included the Razer Blade 15. As we've seen in blockbuster movies, 3D modeling has become popular and effective in terms of impressing the viewers and audience. That's why, as a movie producer or filmmaker, it is best to have a suitable 3D modeling laptop for your needs. Fortunately, the Razer Blade 15 can provide the quality and performance that you may require in creating 3D models. This laptop is definitely a must-buy since it has NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series graphics card for stunning visuals. It also boasts a 4K resolution display and an ultra-fast 360Hz FHD, which makes it the most powerful graphics laptop. The Razer Blade 15 Advanced is an amazing choice if you're in the movie industry or are looking for the best laptop for 3D modeling. Number 3. Acer Predator Helios 300. Acer is popularly known for its high-performance gaming laptops that deliver superior performance on a budget, and the Acer Predator Helios 300 is no exception. Armed with the latest Intel Core i7 processor with a speed of up to 4.60 GHz and RTX 3060 which features NVIDIA's award-winning RTS architecture, this device has more than enough power to run demanding 3D design apps with ease. It features one of the most responsive display around with a 15.6-inch Full HD unit that has a 144Hz refresh rate and 3 millisecond response time so you can work, play, and create without any delays. The Acer Predator Helios 300 also comes loaded with 512GB of SSD storage that you can upgrade if you ever need more storage. The Acer Predator Helios 300 certainly doesn't disappoint when it comes to price or performance. It is one of the most powerful laptops you can buy for 3D modeling and rendering without burning a hole in your pocket. Number 2. Macbook Pro 16 M1 Max. Best long-lasting battery laptop. If you've owned an Apple laptop in the past, you've probably been impressed with its battery life compared to PC laptops. The Apple MacBook is no exception, and its features don't stop here. Equipped with a delightful Liquid Retina XDR display, highly customizable specs, and the very impressive M1 Max chip, this monster can show top performance even when unplugged. After multiple tests, the Apple MacBook Pro M1 Max lasted 15 hours even under the heaviest tasks. Its integrated single heat pipe solution has also shown its results in almost no signal of overheating with use or time. Though for any laptop, it is always recommended to get an external cooling solution and use it every day. It seems we don't have to worry about that with this device. Number 1. ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo 15. I should say this at the start that this ZenBook Pro Duo is not only one of the sharpest and most beautiful laptops I've ever used, with its brilliantly designed dual screen and overall premium look and feel, but is also an almost unbelievable bargain. Yes, it's almost $3,500, but if you've been doing some research into top-tier laptops or understand what you really need for 3D imaging work, you know that this isn't all that expensive. But while the ProArt StudioBook above is overall a better performer, a better built machine, and has a more accurate, clear, and usable display for even the most demanding work, this younger brother is so close as to make the 65% lower price really quite astounding. This ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo book is at the top end of what you should need for any 3D modeling and rendering work. Ultra-fast RAM and SSD make working with even larger and more complex images easy and trouble-free, and the processor makes sure that all work is smooth and glitch-free, even the largest rendering jobs. The screen is so sharp and deep with startling life and energy that it not only displays everything with perfect clarity and accurate color, but actually inspires you while you work with its beauty and quality. And the secondary touchscreen, which can be used as a kind of extended touchpad, a multitasking panel, or an extension of the main display, is almost worth the price of admission and is genuinely useful and an important innovation. But while the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo is certainly a slick, clever, and incredibly cool laptop, it is also one of the best performers out there, a truly top-level machine. It is fully up to any 3D imaging and animation work, and even more advanced tasks with performance to spare, and based on performance, price, and yes, cool factor, is the best laptop overall for 3D modeling and rendering on the market today. Choosing the right tools for your work will always have an impact on your career. And if your career is 3D modeling, then we'll feel the impact in your pocket as well. Because not only the equipment we need is already on the expensive side, but the software as well is not particularly cheap. Having the right options means spending well out budgets and not wasting time, effort, and money getting a device that is going to give us more trouble than help. All the options we presented you with have not only the best specs for their categories, but also the best reviews not only from online users, but from trusted sources. So check your budget and take your pick. All these laptops won't disappoint you. Let us know in the comments down below which laptop you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please get this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.